Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Harsh. Harsh means unpleasantly rough or jarring. For example, drenched in a harsh white neon light. Drenched in a harsh white neon light. Synonyms: grating, jarring, grinding.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The voice rang throughout the room, harsh and cruel. Now, repeat after me. The voice rang throughout the room, harsh and cruel. The second exemplar. Talos laughed in mockery, the sound cruel and harsh. Now, repeat after me. Talos laughed in mockery, the sound cruel and harsh. The third exemplar. The overhead lights were harsh and the walls were impossibly white. Now, repeat after me. The overhead lights were harsh and the walls were impossibly white.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.